Hey, Joy coming at you. I just wanted to send out a quick hello. My birthday was yesterday, and I just wanted to thank everybody out there that thought of me or sent a wish and a like on my page. That was a blessing to me to know that I made so many incredible friends on the internet from all around the country. I mean, countries I can't even pronounce. Is that incredible? But anyways, I'm having a little cookout for my family here. I'm getting everything ready. My son's going to be 17 tomorrow, so I'm just cooking some hot dogs for family and friends, some cake and something real quick, and just having a good time today. And you know, I don't like to make a big deal. I don't sweat the small stuff, so I keep it small. And anyways, just have a blessed day, have a great weekend, and if you don't hear from me, have a great 4th of July and be safe. Bye. Oh, and peace and joy for life.